if you're looking for one of the best looking 7-seaters, a Land Rover Discovery should be on your shopping list. This is an R-Dynamic D300 HSE, so you've got a boatload of options as standard. The colour is really refreshing. It's Hakuba silver, and partnering that with the R-Dynamic, the gloss black badges, the grille and the front splitter, for me, it's a very, very refreshing colour. 71 plate, done 48,000 miles, full service history, and it's got a Land Rover extended warranty until 2025. So peace of mind box is ticked 100%. The colour works very nice for me. It's very different. We have a lot of blacks, dark colours and greys, but this works very well. So gloss black accents on the wheel arches as well. The first option over and above the standard HSE, you'll see these upgraded 22s. You've got the dark grey edge, diamond cut front on them as well, which I really, really like. Sliding pan roof, gloss black roof rails, privacy glass, and the fixed side steps. So the colour of the exterior with the wheels works very well. Obviously, with them being a 7-seater, they're a very popular car with families. Partner that with the D300, you can do a lot of motorway journeys in these in a very short time, but also very comfortable as well. If you want to use them as a 5-seater, you can. Black leather, you've got a nice contrast piping as well. You've obviously got the sliding sunroof, but the heated seats don't also start in the front. You've also got them in the back as well, and the 2 outer seats, as well as being ISOFIX points as well. So perfect family car for me. The rear seats can be accessed electronically as well. So there's a lot of cars in this day and age, even though technology is advanced, you still have to do that manually, which who wants to be doing that? Power tailgate, opens off the key, obviously, and what you do have on a Discovery, which is very few cars available, you still have an element of a boot. Is it absolutely massive? No, but when the seats are up, chances are you're going to be carrying a small amount of stuff. If you want to put both seats down, you can, or one, and they are electronic as well. So you do that from this button section here, and you've got adaptive air suspension. Nice for access of luggage, suitcases. Oddball one might be a dog if you've got something that you need to get in the back, no problem. A few more options that have been fitted to it as upgrades. Obviously, there's a lot of standard spec as well. Meridian surround. You've got memory setting function on the seats. The front seats are heated and ventilated. So heated in the back, heated and ventilated in the front. And then you've got some nice options which we're going to touch on as well. One thing I would point out, which you might have seen before, I quite like this when I've seen it. You've got upgraded headrests on the comfort on the HSE. So quilted, but then they're obviously adjustable as well. 48,897 miles to be exact. Digital display to the front. The roof is a sliding sunroof. There are some Land Rovers that only come with a fixed roof. This is a sliding one, which is nice. Steering wheel, if we get through this, because there's boatloads going on. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. So everything you would need for all types of driving, specifically motorway for me. If you have those three combined, you can do pretty much whatever journey you want. 300 brake horsepower, so very straightforward. Your heated seats, ventilated seats, work all from that dial, as well as your air conditioning as well. Huge tablet display in the centre, so navigation, phone, media. If I pop it in reverse, you've got rear view, aerial view. You've even got a 3D mode as well, which I always find very good. So if you're not used to a car this size, that will help. Cup holders absolutely everywhere. Underneath the armrest, you've got even more space, as well as more USBs. Just a very, very nice car. Yes, it has done 48,000 miles, but it has been very, very well looked after. Full service history, extended warranty with Land Rover themselves. So no matter where you are, where you're from, where you want to buy it from, you can go back to your local Land Rover if you need it, but I don't think you will. D300 gives you the power, and then HSE gives you the spec. So it's a lovely, lovely car, and it's at a great price point as well. 71 plate, so it will be there. And if you need any questions answering, you can contact myself direct. Numbers below with any further details, but please give me a call. My name's Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.